Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to shuck oysters. Now, if you don't know what oysters are, stop watching this video and go read a book for once. How can you not know what an oyster is? That's like knowledge 101. The easiest information in the world, the simplest fact. I can't believe you don't know about oysters. Were you raised in a home without information, in a land without freedom, and a planet without oysters? I cannot believe it. I'm sickened. I feel physically sick at your lack of understanding. Never in my life did I think I would ever meet somebody so ill-informed, so preposterously ignorant. I gotta sit down. I'm feeling lightheaded, and it's all your fault. I'm baffled and offended at your aggressive lack of knowledge. What is this world coming to when a young person like yourself, who's got every opportunity in the world to learn about oysters and other things, decides to squander it and live their life in a dark maze of blatant and frankly offensive ignorance? This is too much for me. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm done. This is stupid. I'm out of here. God.